Welcome back everyone to another 3-Minute Thursday. Today we're talking about how to replace or service the contra spring. There are 2 pulleys that you need in order to do this. Otherwise you can get away with 1 pulley and some wooden blocks, but that just sucks. Don't do it. When you have this open, degrease it and re-grease it. First you need to remove this nut. It's a 14. This is the first puller. It's from Treats. Now we need to remove this nut and we can pull it apart. Then remove this 27mm nut. It should not separate yet. Now if you have this puller, great. If you don't, you have to wedge 2 1x6 pieces of wood in here. But just get the puller. There you go. All taken apart. It's hard to tell, but the spring I pulled out is in fact a yellow spring. Everything is just kind of wore off of it, and this is the stock spring. So I had originally replaced this with the yellow spring, which gives me better variation. If you want to put it back together, you just put this back in, push this back down. You may be able to see there is a paw you do have to line up with this. So if you line this up incorrectly, it will not go down. So if you line it up correctly, it'll just go right straight down like that. So put your spring in, get your nut ready. It is easiest to do this with a friend. You can put this guy like this. There you go, got it on. So if you make sure it goes all the way down, then you can snug it in. Verify that it does come out. And then you can reinstall it. To reinstall this, simply slide it on, put this little washer right here, hand tighten the nut, and then drive it home. All done. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe and buy me a coffee if you can.